Okay, as promised, I was going to install this 3-inch tube running board, I guess that's what you call it. And you know, these sit real nice. They sit level with the bottom of the frame, so they're not sticking out lower than the shields. And this bolt, body mount bolt, and the one in the back, you have to take those out and mount this bracket. And the bracket goes on this model. It's a TJ, 04 TJ. It's not an unlimited, so you have to put, you can't take the washer off the rubber because it's made on there. So you put the bracket over this washer. Front hole closest to the bracket corner. That's where the step will mount. And you don't want to tighten it down very tight so it can swivel to line up. About like that. Now the same for the rear. Turn the camera around here so you can, hope you can see it. It's right about, if you can see my hand, you can see it. I'll tilt it a little bit. Right there. Okay, and now we'll put the, that's it, hit the camera. Now the one thing about this, you want to put the step toward the rear of the Jeep because that's closest to the where you'll be stepping. If you put it on the front side, it'll be way up front and it'll be of no help. Now in the end of the thing, there's a plate with a threaded hole, and you put this big bolt, lock washer and flat washer. And I can show you better probably on the front one because I can't really see the camera. This thing's really sturdy. You're not going to break it unless you weigh more than the Jeep. Well, maybe not quite that much. Now let's go back up to the front. big bolt, rock washer, flat washer, and I think I may have it cross-threaded. Maybe not. Now for this bolt, it's a 19 millimeter. Going to be a little stubborn. Well, all you need for this is a bolt that's 19 millimeter, and then for the body bolt it's 5/8. So, and it can be a little stiff coming out. So, my Harbor Freight Impact supposedly has 330 pounds of torque, and that one of them I had on here wouldn't break it. So I got out the big breaker bar. I got it started. Other than that, that's about all you need. And even if you don't want to, read the directions. Because it tells you which, there's 2 slots in the top. It tells you which one to use depending on your model. Last night it was getting a little late and I put the passenger side on so I'd know what the heck I'm doing, so I wouldn't have to put this one on and do it over. I always said if you can't do it right the first time, how are you going to find time to do it over? Or if you don't have time to do it right. Okay. Well, that takes care of the front one. So I'm about 90% done. I got 2 more bolts. Tighten and I'm done. Okay. I hope you can see me all right. Maybe not. I can't tell. The screen is so low to the down to the floor that when I get done, you can see how it looks. I like the way that sits. I'm gonna see if I can move it up a little bit. It's hanging off more. Back in a minute. Make a slight adjustment. Ah, okay, now it's more even. Of course, nobody would have never noticed. If you ever had an old car and you had one kind of hubcap on one side and a different one on the other side, nobody'd ever notice. It's kind of like about the good old days when you had spinners on your car. You couldn't afford them because they cost more than the car you was driving. Back when I went to high school, a friend of mine bought several old 51 Plymouths. You could buy a car back then, a running car in pretty good shape for $50, believe it or not. Okay. I'm going to tighten that one. And then I'm going to retighten this one. Okay. Oops. Okay. There it is. Let me get at a different angle. Get it farther away so you can. I don't know how well you can see that, but I think they look great. See, now if you try to put your foot up there and stand up, you'd be climbing on the roof. So the way I'd do it is sit down, put my heel on it. Put my heel up there and push myself up. Well, anyway, that's how it goes. They look good for about $140 for the pair, free shipping. So that's the end of this video. Maybe I'll put something else on here or do something different. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please, whatever. Please like the video.